previous lesson, we examined the interface of the PowerBi online service. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a dashboard in the PowerBi service. Once we have reports in PowerBi, creating a dashboard is fairly simple. A dashboard works on the principle of pinning visuals from your reports to the canvas. To see this in action, we'll start by clicking on our report. As we only have a small report with one page, we're going to put both of our large visualizations on the dashboard. If we move our mouse over the bar chart, we see a pin icon appear. Clicking this icon brings up the Pin to Dashboard window. From here, we can choose to pin the visual to an existing dashboard or create a new one. As we don't have an existing dashboard, we'll stick with New Dashboard and label it My First Dashboard. Once complete, we get a message that our visual has been attached. Next, we'll attach the tree map. This time, we'll select the existing dashboard we just created. Let's take a look at this dashboard. In our case, the dashboard looks quite similar to our initial report. That said, there are several differences that will become more important when dealing with more complex dashboards. While a report can contain multiple pages, a dashboard is always a single screen interface. However, a dashboard can contain visuals from multiple pages in a report, or even from multiple reports. Modifying the layout of our dashboard is easy. We can click and drag to move the visuals around or resize them. However, there are some restrictions. Visuals in the PowerBi online service have a tile-based layout. When we expand or move a chart, we can see that the chart snaps to a grid system, ensuring a neat layout. If we need to add different content, we can simply click Add Tile. As you can see, we're not limited to visuals and can add web content, images, or even video. Let's add a text box to serve as a title. We'll select Text Box, select Display Title and Subtitle, and type in the text we want to add. In this case, we'll set the title as Value Analysis Dashboard and enter a short description in the content section. We'll select Apply to add the text box to the dashboard and move it to the top left. You may have noticed that we didn't pin our slicers to the dashboard. In fact, we're not able to do this. A dashboard is intended to provide a high-level overview of the business. If a viewer wants to see more detail, such as filtering by fee earner, they can click on a visual and go to the underlying report. From here, they can use filters and slicers to dig a little deeper into the data. As such, a dashboard serves as a headline of a message you want to convey, with the full details available in the reports beneath. If we want to attach all the elements on our report to a dashboard, we can use the Pin Live Page option. To see this in action, we'll click Pin Live Page and put it in a new dashboard. We'll call this dashboard Pin Live Page Demo. We'll select Pin Live, and the new dashboard is created. We can see that the entire report page has been attached to the dashboard, including the slicers. Furthermore, if we select a bar from the bar chart, we can see that the page is interactive, unlike the previous dashboard. We can also use the slicers at the bottom of the page, as we would when looking at the report. However, you should be careful when using the Pin Live Page option. The slicers and interactions will only work between the visuals that are currently on the dashboard. If we add more visuals from another page or report, the slicers would have no effect on those new visuals, but would continue to affect the old ones. This could easily lead to confusion in a complex dashboard drawing from multiple reports. Let's stop the lesson here. In the next and final lesson for this course, we'll look at how to share your dashboards with other people, either inside or outside your organization.